Hello, good day, and welcome to Ernex Autoworld. I am Ernex, your automobile consultant. So today we're doing the calculation of how much diesel or gas you need to fill your car tank. Yeah, how much diesel or gas you need or petrol you need to fill your gas tank. Most people know the gallon or liters to fill their gas tank, but how much they need or the amount of money to fill the tank is a problem. Yeah, so we are going to calculate that. So please do all to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share if you're a new viewer. Yeah, please do all to subscribe to my channel, like, and share. So without wasting much time, we are going to delve into the step-by-step process to know how much to fill your gas tank, like the amount of money you need to fill your gas tank. Yeah. So the first thing we have to do, since I'm in Ghana, we have to use our currency and everything. Yeah, everything is going to be in city. So whichever country you are watching me from, you can also use your currency. So the first thing we have to do is to go to Google. Yeah, you're going to Google, and I'm going to type in the price of fuel. The price of fuel in Ghana today. Yeah, the price of fuel in Ghana today. So you can see the list of prices of certain fuel stations in Ghana. Yeah, you can see the prices over there. So you too, you can search and know, or if you know the price of fuel you have to buy from wherever you are. Yeah. And the next thing you are going to do is to know the unit from gallon to liters. Yeah, you have to know how many gallons make a liter. How many gallons make a liter. So let's set that one as well. Yes, we are going to search that one as well. Yeah. Please do what to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video as well. So as we can see, we have 0 point how many gallons makes a liter. Yeah, 0.264 gallon is 1 liter. Yeah, 0.264 gallon is 1 liter. So you know how many gallon make a liter? 0.264. But you also have to know what is 1 gallon to a liter. 1 gallon to a liter. Yeah. So we are going to set that one as well. We have 3.785. Yeah, 3.785 is to 1 gallon is to 3.785 liters. Yeah, so since we know this, so now we know the prices of fuel in Ghana, and as you also know the price of fuel in wherever you are, or the price of gas wherever you are, you have to know uh, converting from gallon to liter, which is what we've done. So we know a gallon is 3.785 liters, 3.785 liters. So you are going to use these figures to calculate how much you need to buy, how much you need to buy. Then we check the prices of fuel here in Ghana, and you know how to convert from gallons to liters. So the next thing you have to do is to know how to calculate how much you need to fill your tank or your gas. Yeah, so let us delve into that process as well. So we are going to run the 3.785 to two decimal place, which is 3.79. 3.79, yeah, 3.79. So the next thing we are going to do is to multiply 3.79 by the amount of money you use in purchasing the fuel. So if it is 12 cedis, $1, $2, $3, each fuel station has its price to a liter. So we have 3.79 here. So if let's say we are to buy a liter for 12, no, okay, let's use 13. If you are to buy a liter for 13 cedis here in Ghana, a liter for 13 cedis. So how much are you going to get? You're going to get 49 point 49.27. 49.27. 49.27. So we are getting 49.27 for 3.79 liters. 3.79 liters. You are getting 49.27. Yeah, so after we getting 49.27, if we know the actual gallon to fill our tank, if we know the actual gallon to fill our tank, then we multiply by that. So let's use 10. Let's use 10 gallons. Let's say your car to fill your gas tank, you have to use 10 liters. You have to use 10 liters. You're going to multiply uh, 49.27 or yeah, by 10. But let us use 49 instead of the decimals. Let us use 49. Yeah, so 49 multiplied by 10, you're getting 490. So if you are driving a car and you are to you have a gas tank of 10 gallon to fill it, you have to purchase approximately 49 490 Ghana cedis to fill that gas tank. And the reason why you should know this is because if you are someone who purchases your fuel from different filling stations, you will realize that some place after you buying the fuel within a day or two, like a day or two driving your car, you know say this particular filling station, anytime I buy fuel from there, within these few days, it gets finished. And this particular station, if I buy fuel from there, within these few days, it gets finished. Sometimes the fuel attendants, they know how to pump in air into your fuel tank. Yeah, they know how to do that. So it's better for you to know approximately how much you have to buy to fill your tank so that you wouldn't be cheated. You wouldn't be cheated. So it's better to know this calculation. Since you know from liters to gallon, 1 gallon is to 3.785, so approximately 3.79 is to a gallon. And you know how much a liter costs at that filling station. You are going to multiply both of them. After multiplying, the next thing you are to do, after multiplying, the next thing you have to do is if you know the amount of or the quantity of gallon your car needs to be filled, you multiply it by that. You are going to get the actual money you have to pay to fill that gas tank. Yeah. So please do want to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye.